One of our main goals here on Healing Quest is discovering new and natural ways to keep us all as healthy as possible for every year of our life.
That's why I think you're going to be very interested in this next story about some scientists I recently met in Denver who've been studying oxidative stress for nearly 40 years. Recently, they completed a human study on a new supplement that could keep us in our 50s and 60s as healthy on the inside as a 20-year-old.
Sally Nelson spends a lot of time exploring one of the most incredible environments in the universe, the inside of a human cell. Dr. Nelson is Associate Clinical Professor of Medicine at the University of Colorado, Science Coordinator at a Denver company called Lifeline Therapeutics, and an expert on oxidative stress. That's something critically important to the trillions of cells inside our bodies. As this animation depicts, those cells are the source of the energy that keeps us alive. The energy-producing engines in our cells are called mitochondria. The process by which they burn food creates not only energy, but also dangerous molecules, shown here as red elements. These molecules are known as oxidants, or the free radicals we've heard so much about recently.
Free radicals that are generated in our bodies produce oxidative stress. And what free radicals do is they damage major biological molecules like DNA, lipids, protein.
That damage, that oxidative stress, is visible when we cut an apple open. The apple turns brown because oxygen in the air is corrosive. That same corrosion happens inside the cells of our body.
When your food and oxygen is processed in the mitochondria, you have leaks, and those leaks are free radical leaks. And these free radicals, if they're not detoxified as soon as they're produced, can go out and start attacking your biological molecules. And then you have cell destruction. That's why we have antioxidant enzymes inside the cell, inside the mitochondria, outside the cell. It's everywhere. We have antioxidant enzymes in our body. It's our defense mechanism to take care of the free radicals that our bodies produce.
The body's natural defense mechanism generally does a good job of protecting our cells until we're in our 20s. Then, for a variety of reasons, our cells begin to produce more free radicals than our natural defenses can neutralize. So cell damage begins. That damage increases as we age, unless we do something to help our body produce more antioxidant enzymes to neutralize the free radicals. A diet rich in certain kinds of foods, especially fruits and vegetables, can provide antioxidants to our cells and help in the fight against free radicals. But many experts say it's simply not possible to get all the antioxidants our body needs from our daily diet. So scientists have been searching for ways to help the body produce more antioxidants to protect itself. Researchers at Lifeline Therapeutics found the answer in 5 herbs with thousands of years of healing history.
These 5 ingredients have been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine, and it has a very extensive human experience.
The herbs, along with small amounts of other ingredients, were combined by Lifeline into a dietary supplement called Protandim. Steve Ocello and Reed Madison were 2 of the participants in a human trial at the University of Colorado to see if this new supplement could help keep their cells healthy. The results were quite good.
But after 30 days of taking Protandim, you went down to a very low level, as you would see in a 20-year-old or younger.
The study was published in Free Radicals in Biology in Medicine. After only 1 month of taking the new supplement, oxidative stress in the research group was reduced by an average of 40%. In one case, the cellular health of a 78-year-old participant was restored to that of a 20-year-old. And the benefits continued throughout the 4-month duration of the research project.
These ingredients all did one thing, that they induced our body's antioxidant enzymes. We've been searching for some method that would actually equip your own body to defend itself. And so that was the difference here. And so, yeah, We were very excited about the results of our study.
Steve Ocello and Reed Madison were equally excited.
In 4 weeks, I had a 38% drop in my oxidative stress level.
So it's a potential major breakthrough, certainly a life-changing event for me.
Protandim is now being made available across the country. Sally Nelson cautions that it's not a fountain of youth, but she says it can be a valuable tool in protecting ourselves from oxidative stress in an all-natural way.
The product itself is natural. It's derived from herbs, and the effect on the body is also natural. It induces our own natural antioxidant enzymes. You want to maintain health, and you want to have healthy aging. And so you do everything you can to protect yourself and maintain it from oxidative stress so you can get more years of healthy living.
Oxidative stress has been linked to as many as 200 diseases, so this could be a major breakthrough.
In fact, it's actually possible now to find out about your cellular health with something called the T-bars test. T-bars is an indicator of oxidative stress, and the test measures the amount of T-bars in your blood.
At least one national chain of medical labs is adding T-bars to their menu of services. Remember about 20 years ago when we all started checking our cholesterol levels? Well, it looks like we all may start paying attention to our T-bars as well.
If you'd like to learn more about oxidative stress or Protandim, we have all the links for you on the Healing Quest website.